Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam Negi, and in this video I'll be talking with you about how we can install virtual machine in HyperV Manager. The biggest benefit of HyperV Manager is that we do not need to install third-party application and software. It comes preloaded with Windows 10. The only thing we need to do is to activate it. Now we can go to new. Now from here we can choose option. Now we want to create virtual machine, so we're gonna click on that, and here is the step-by-step wizard which actually will help you to configure your virtual machine. Now we need to click on next, and here we can give it a name and you can give it a location. I'm gonna keep it as it is just for demonstration, and then from here you can choose the version. Now the difference between these both versions is that the generation 2 support UEFI based firmware, while generation 1 support both 32 and 64-bit version, but have better compatibility with previous versions of Hyper-V. Now I would like to choose generation 2 for better performance. Then after clicking on next, here you can specify the amount of memory or RAM that you want to allocate for your system. Let's say I want to allocate 16 gigs, which is 16384. And please make sure that this option is checked, which says use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. Now let's click next. Now for connection, we can use the default internet, so I can choose default switch. Then from here we can connect it with already created virtual disk if you have, or you can even check for this option which says attach a virtual disk later. But let's say you want to create it straight away, then you can choose it and specify the amount of space that you want to locate. Now I will be clicking on next, and from here I can choose the bootable image or ISO bootable disk of OS. Now I can click on open, and then I will be clicking on finish. Now we can select our virtual machine, and here we can see the state is off. And in settings, here just like any other virtualization tool, we have option to customize our system. So from here we can define the different settings just like any other software, for example VMware or Oracle VirtualBox. Now we going to start our virtual machine. We need to make a right click, and then we can click on start. And now here we can see it. So in this way we can install any operating system using Hyper-V. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.